Hiya, my name's Alyssia and I'm going to show you how I created this mountainscape watercolour feature. So we're going to start with a nice neutral base. I've just chosen a nice light nude colour. You can also go for a white if you want it to be a little bit brighter. And I've got my pigment powders here from Be Creative range. From the Brights, I've got Ocean, which is a gorgeous blue, Flip Flops, which is a rich purple, and Bikini, which is a lovely bright pink. So to make this sort of effect, we're gonna get a dip and dish with just a tiny little bit of monomer. You don't need too much, an old brush that you don't really care about. So you don't want this to be super soaked, you just want it to be lightly damp. So I'm just going to use my lightly damp brush with monomer, pick up some of the pigment powder from out of the lid and just start tapping it on. I'm going to create a bit of a sort of mountainscape here with this. I like to create sort of either mountainscapes or maybe a sort of dreamy cloud type effect with this method. But it's up to your imagination, hey? Create whatever you can find. So I think this gives quite a funky watercolory design. There's a lot of different ways you can apply it. After you're happy with what you've come up with, just give it a moment for the monomer to sort of set down. And then once the monomer's sort of dried up out of it, go ahead, chuck a top coat on and cure it in the lamp. Alright, and there you have it, my little mountainscape watercolour done with pigments and monomer.